Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. A JavaScript tutorial for beginners serves as an essential introduction to one of the most widely used programming languages for web development. The tutorial typically covers fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and operators, helping learners understand how to store and manipulate information. It explores the importance of functions, enabling users to create reusable blocks of code, and introduces control structures like loops and conditional statements to manage the flow of a program. Additionally, the tutorial highlights the document object model DOM and how JavaScript interacts with UTML and CSS to create dynamic web pages. Learners are also introduced to basic debugging techniques and best practices for writing clean, maintainable code. By the end of the tutorial, beginners should have a solid foundation in JavaScript, empowering them to build interactive web applications and further explore more advanced topics in programming. A JavaScript tutorial for beginners introduces the fundamentals of this versatile programming language, primarily used for web development. For web the for begin It begins with an overview of JavaScript's role in creating interactive and dynamic websites, complementing UTML and AUX. The tutorial typically covers essential concepts such as variables, data types, operators, and control structures like loops and conditionals. Beginners learn about functions, which are crucial for structuring code, as well as the importance of the document object model DOM in manipulating web page elements. The tutorial often emphasizes best practices, including code organization and debugging techniques. Additionally, it may touch on modern JavaScript features such as ASIC syntax, asynchronous programming with promises, and the use of libraries and frameworks. Overall, the tutorial aims to build a solid foundation, empowering newcomers to create engaging web applications and further explore advanced topics in JavaScript development. JavaScript is a versatile programming language primarily used for enhancing web pages with interactive elements. In a beginner's tutorial, learners typically start by understanding the fundamentals of JavaScript, including its syntax, variables, and data types. A focus on key concepts such as functions, control structures, and events introduces how to manipulate the document object model DOM and respond to user interactions. The tutorial often covers essential tools and environments for running JavaScript, including browsers and integrated development environments (IDEs). As learners progress, they explore more advanced topics like asynchronous programming, error handling, and the use of libraries and frameworks to streamline development. Throughout the tutorial, practical exercises and projects reinforce learning, allowing beginners to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios. Overall, a well-structured JavaScript tutorial equips new developers with the skills to create dynamic and responsive web applications.